Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Tekton website and checking out their newest tools in the last 90 days. So I just recently did a video on their best sellers, which a lot of companies I feel like they put their most popular items on there, but then I also feel like they sometimes put items on there that aren't really their best sellers, that they're just items that they're trying to sell more of. But Tekton does a pretty good job of keeping their best sellers pretty popular items. Some of them are questionable. But if you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure to go ahead and check that video out. We go over kind of the items that I think are overpriced, the ones that I think are phenomenal. I think Tekton does a really good job. They've improved a lot over the years. I've been a big fan of Tekton for over 10 years, been buying their tools and watching them grow, and not just in better quality, but more tools and USA made tools, German tools, Canadian stuff. I mean, they have a wide variety of tools now, and they've become very popular. So unfortunately, with inflation and popularity, prices have increased. There are certain items that have went up a lot, some of them just a little bit. There are still fantastic deals from Tekton, some of them not so great, but still one of my favorite tool brands on the market. Their website is very user-friendly. They have a fantastic warranty, a really good rewards program. So really good stuff. The website's kind of a new design over the last couple months, I would say. I don't know. I went a while without looking at their actual website. I'll look at their stuff on Amazon. But I like their new layout. Very easy to find stuff here. They break it down into categories and subcategories. You can find exactly what you're looking for. You kind of got some of the categories here. They go over their warranty, their best sellers, new tools, USA made stuff, their bundles, and then individuals that you're going to buy, whether it be metric or SAE. So some of this is going to be kind of repetitive because some of them are bundles and then some of them are individuals, so we're not going to go over absolutely everything. So looking at the first couple of items, we have their socket sets in the modular stacking toolboxes. You have the 3/8 drive, and I think this might just be 6-point and 12-point. It's a 117 piece set, 6-point and 12-point, yeah. So this is their new 6-point set and their 12-point set. $545, 117 piece set. You're looking at about $4.65 a tool, but then again, you also got to take into account their L box, or whatever Tekton calls it, their modular toolbox, stacking toolbox. Very, very cool stuff, really good quality. I know quite a few people that have these and are really happy with them, so that kind of gets thrown in with the cost. But yeah, pretty nice inclusive little sets. Then they have their new ratchets that they've been releasing, which I've been a big fan of the Tekton ratchets. Some people don't like them. They feel flimsy to them because they are a very low profile. They're a very small design, not just in these small ratchets that we're looking at, but even their larger, longer ratchets are very compact. But they've released their non-quick release 3-piece set and their quick release, and then their flex heads of each as well. The thing that I like is before, you could either get a non-flex head or a semi-locking flex head. And some people did not care for the semi-locking flex head because of the detent and how it felt. They did improve that over the years, but now they have just released a free-floating flex head, which I think I am going to prefer over their semi-locking flex head. I like to have a variety of all locking, semi-locking, and free-floating, but I think I'm going to prefer the free-floating flex heads from Tekton over their semi-locking. But I'm really glad to see that. I do hope they come out with a locking one. That'd be phenomenal. But yeah, all 90-tooth designs, all stubbies, as you can see, in all 3 drive sizes. And those sets run $95 for the non-flex head and $105 for the flex heads. Then they have their stubby and standard length combination wrench sets. That's all of these, just different size sets with or without organizers. They are getting a little pricey compared to what they were, but they've also added much larger sizes to their lineup. Like I had their stubby and combination wrench sets in both metric and SAE. I bought all 4 sets for I think $110. Now the stubbies sell for $90, and the standard length combination ones that I had sell for $110. So that's went up in price, but they've also added a lot more sizes. So this is a much larger set than what I picked up almost 10 years ago. But it is a pretty big price increase at $640, but you're going all the way up to 32 millimeter and 1.25 inches. So really good variety and no skip sets. And that's basically what all of this stuff is just all the larger sizes that they've added to their combination wrench sets and stubby wrench sets. We're going to kind of move through these because a lot of these are just additional, combination wrenches, different size sets, different varieties. Then we move into their new screwdrivers, which are, or I should say newer. They're not necessarily new now. These sets were put together in the last 90 days. And so they used to have their high torque tri-lobe screwdrivers made in the USA and their classic four-sided hard handle screwdrivers made in the USA. They discontinued those, replaced them with the Whit German-made screwdrivers, which are still phenomenal screwdrivers. I am sad to see the other two sets go, but they said it was due to freeing up their US manufacturer to make something else. So I'm kind of excited to see what they freed it up for. Was it for an addition to something that they already have, or is it for a new tool that they want to release made in the USA? I'm hoping it's something new, and I'm excited to see what that is. But what we're seeing here are just the German screwdriver sets that they've put together, the different varieties that you can buy with or without organizers, all of that, just like the wrenches. Tons of sets, insulated ones. Then you got their new click style torque wrenches in 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, 90 tooth design, a big improvement over their old generic click style torque wrenches. Really happy to see that. Torque wrench case replacement latches, I think that should just be free if it needs to be replaced. My light just died. That's cool. And then the individual ratchets that I had mentioned earlier, you see those, the 6.5 inch spinner handle that is now being included in other sets. You can use this as a nut driver or a bit driver or an extension. Really nice little design, $15 for that. $50 or $40 for these ratchets, depending on the size, drive size, or flex head or non-flex head. Then you have their German spinner handle at $12. And then all of the wrenches we saw before, just all individual sizes added to the stubby lineup. 90 tooth 1/4 inch drive torque wrench at $85. Their new 5.5 inch compact shop scissors at $18. And their 5.5 inch compact shop scissors with cutting notch. So a couple different design scissors, lots of wrenches, and a few stubby ratchets added to the lineup. Torque wrenches, screwdrivers, not necessarily screwdrivers, just the sets that they kind of built. So yeah, lots of good new stuff. Pricing isn't terrible, especially when you get into those larger sizes. It doesn't matter what brand you go with. Getting into the larger sizes can get quite expensive. So if you guys haven't checked out Tekton, definitely check them out. They got a lot of great stuff, great warranty, great customer service. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.